At the very back here, we have created the Crafty Express. It is something that I felt was very much needed in our space because we have a lot of new customers that walk in and they don't really know what to do. They are not sure how to even do the most basic formulations, how to make even the most basic soaps and candles and things like that. So when you stand in our shop like this and take a swipe around, you would get a bit overwhelmed because there's so many things to take in. We're not a big store. A lot of customers come in and go, are you guys like is this the only location or is there any other location? Because when we look at the pictures, it looks like it's very big, but we're actually very compact. We're a very compact store and everything that you need to make your own formulations is already here. And we created the Crafty Express because we wanted people who walked in to try things hands-on and make things on the go. So the tagline is Crafty Express Make and Go. So basically all you need to do is come in here, take a look at the menu that you have. Right now we have 5 items on the menu only at the moment during the first week of this, but we will be working on more and more stuff, so stay tuned to our Facebook and our IG and we will keep launching new things. So if there's anything that you have in mind that you think you want to learn hands-on, just write in or put in a comment and say, you know what, I want to learn how to make lip balms. Please have a lip balm menu, and we can do that. We can make that happen. This is so that you get to sit at the bar. So let me show you the bar. So over here, what happens at Crafty Express is, this is Anis and Shakila. They will be here to help you and guide you along the way, and they will be here to hold your hand so that you are never going to be alone. You get to pick from a range of items. We will have more items coming. Right now, for the start, we have Sanitizing Spray. This is one of our top votes. People that love to make their own sanitizing spray, and people who don't know how to use emulsifiers, how to blend oil and water. This spray has all the ingredients, all 5 ingredients blended together to create a sanitizing spray with alcohol, handmade, natural, containing natural oils, which is the natural rosemary oil and tea tree oil. We also have honey lemon soap that you can come here and make on the spot. We have a deep healing lotion made with beautiful essential oils like chamomile, eucalyptus, tea tree. We have lavender shea butter soap that you can make on the spot, 100 grams. And for kids, it's a beautiful thing to get them to sit here and do little keychains with string plastic. Plastic keychains that they can make on the spot at this very bar itself. So now the thing about this bar is that the great thing is that you don't have to buy all the full equipments and tools. You don't have to buy the ingredients by bulk. You get to sit here, make it on the spot and take it away with you and use it at home. So that's the idea of this bar. And the best part is you don't have to do any cleaning up. You don't have to clean up your pots, your utensils, your cutters. We do the cleaning up for you. So you bring your beautiful self, you sit right here, you make what you want off the menu, and everything else is scouting for you, basically. Thank you. So you come here and we have menus for you to study and to read up, and instructions, and there will be all the equipments laid out for you to make your soaps, your candles, your sanitizing spray, lotions. And at the same time, while this is here to help you out, we have our wonderful team behind the bar to help you out as well if you experience any issues. So in that sense, if you're a very busy person and you can maybe carve out half an hour to just pop by to make something really quick, you don't need to pre-book any slots, just walk on in and make stuff on the spot. And also, who knows, maybe in the future, like You don't even need to make things at home. You can just go, you know what, I'm out of soap. I'm gonna make soap for the entire month, and I'm gonna come in here and make all my soap fresh and bring it back home with me. So that's the idea of this spot, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please, again, let me repeat, please continue to share this video, tag your 3 friends so that they get to experience our Crafty Express.